Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Code with Ganny, a place where we make code easy and simple like ABC. Today I'll be talking about how to drive at night, the different type of light that we have in our vehicle and the uses of our horns. How are we going to use horn? That is what we are going to talk about today. We have different type of light in the vehicle, so we are going to talk about it today. And do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you are on YouTube, on Facebook. Also, do not forget it and share this video in case you know anyone that's interested in passing their code and they are finding it difficult. We are here to simplify it. So let's go to the class. It is not easy to learn, but we need to learn this together. We are talking about how to drive in the night. So the part one of it is on your light. On the road, as on the highway, at night visibility decrease and some details can some details can escape the driver. The assessment of distance and speed as well as lack of benchmark can be disturbed in the night. A, so we're not talking about the A part now. The uses of the light. At night, the driver will use light so as to see well without disturbing others. The different type of light is what we are going to talk about now. So we're going to talk about low de position, that is position light. How to use it in the city, that is where to use it to be able to see very well. Use it in the city, and also you can use it outside the city as well at night or at when it's getting closer to night. That is when you will use it. But when it's not very clear the place, then you can use your deep beam light, headlight. It is called low de croisement. That is what you will use. Then the second one of the type of light that we are going to talk about is low de croisement. That is a deep beam headlight. How are you going to use those ones? We are going to use it in the city when there is a little clearage. You use it, and also on the route, on the road that is outside city that is clear, also you use it. Then number three, you are going to use it outside city where there is no clearage, there is no, you cannot see very well. You are going to use it also. Also, when you want to meet another vehicle that is coming in your opposite side, instead of only the full light, you have to use this deep light so that it will not disturb the driver that is coming on your side, on your opposite side. Then the third type of light that we have is the low de route. That faux is called the high faux, high dim, high very light one. That is called full light, the very full light. So one place that you're going to use it in the city, you can use it in the city and outside city when there is no clearer lightning at all, or a very little lightning that you cannot see. And also if there is no vehicle coming in your front, or the vehicle at your back cannot also use it because it will disturb you. Focus on overtaking at night. When you want to overtake at night, the driver starting the overtaking maneuver can warn the driver in the of the vehicle in front of his attention of making a brief light. That is called appel lumineux. A brief light, that is flashing light. Its full light will be on when it is overtaking. Then the overtaking driver will now go back to a low light. That is the second light before the croisement, after you have overtake finished. Okay, to avoid dazzling the users who fall in front of him. Then the last one is talking about, okay, this is the example. Let me use it as an example. This driver wants to overtake this one. So this driver must overtake with a faux de croisement that is not too light. Then this one is going on a full light. But as soon as this driver As soon as this driver reaches beside the vehicle, you have to change to full light, and why this one will quickly change it to the little light. We call it deep dim light. We change it so that it will not blur, that is, it will not enter to other driver eyes. So that is what that one is all about. Then we'll go to the B part, that is talking about the light warning, which is the appel lumino, the flashing light. How do you use it in the night? At night, the driver can warn other driver of his presence by a brief light called flashing light. Those are the signals. Either with full light if it's run in a low light, or with a deep light, that is a low light if it run in a high light. That is, it's talking about with this. If the driver supposed to run with this and is now using this, you have to use your flashing light to indicate to him so I can be able to quickly know. Or if he's supposed to use this and he's using this, you have to quickly do your own flashing light, you driver that notice that, so that they can change. Also, you can also use it before an intersection, that is before a junction also. And you can also use it at a curve. The flashing light, you use it at a curve also. And also, you can also use it to prevent the presence or overtaking. Maybe one driver want to overtake you at the back, you can use it to tell him, no, attention, maybe there is something in your front, he cannot overtake you. If the driver driving in the opposite direction has remained in a highway, that is, if a vehicle that is coming on your opposite side it has its full light on, you driver that you saw it, you have to notify him by your flashing light. He will quickly understand the reason why you are doing that. So attention, just for security, for everyone's safety, remember to have a spare bulb at all times to avoid immobilization or accidents. Okay, to avoid, if you don't have light, you cannot move at night. That's why you need to be having extra light in your vehicle. Thank you so much. Till we meet in my next class. See you. Bye.